It's Firmoo's 16th birthday. You won't believe the deals Firmoo has for their birthday. Plus, my #1 glasses picks. Let me show you my favorite Firmoo frames and why I love them. These are perfect for comfort, style, and value. I get a lot of compliments on these, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. So if you wanna get some compliments, get these frames. They are a statement piece. These are my favorite glasses that I wear. They kind of remind me of like an Art Deco style with the pink and the turquoise colors. And then there's that little jewel on the side that my daughter's always playing with. These dark ones are more classic looking, simple, understated black, but they still have a little bit of bling on the side because of that glitter situation going on, and I really like that. And I love that all of the glasses come with these cleaning cloths and a little pouch that you can stick them in. Try pairing your frames with cute accessories or hairstyles to instantly change your vibe. See, pulling up your hair and doing like a French twist, it gives it, I don't know, I think it kind of gives it more of a sophisticated look. I don't have my hair clips on me now, but you can kind of get the gist. Here I have these adorable little cat hair clips, and I'm just gonna stick them in my hair. Maybe this is too much cat. I don't know, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. But this is, if you're trying to like have fun with your girlfriends and, you know, just be a little bit, I don't know. This is like a fun way to accessorize, I think. I have been wearing Firmoo glasses for over 10 years. My entire family wears Firmoo glasses. They always have those nice discount specials going on. And so I just want to kind of show you guys how I style my Firmoo glasses. You know, these days I kind of feel like people are having a lot of fun with their glasses, and you know what? I will too. I don't mind. And as you can see here, I like my fun jeans. I'm practicing my kicks. There we go. Made in the 80s is what this shirt says, because that's when I was born, was in the 80s. I'm in my 40s, early 40s now, and you know, just rocking a black jean, because then I have a white top, you know, kind of getting bold here with my white tops. You got to be careful when you're wearing your white out in public that you don't spill any food on it. But yeah, I put these nice light glasses on, and you know, I'm pretending to talk here. I have some white hair going on, but you know, white hair don't care. I'm gonna rock it with my glasses. First, identify your face shape. Look in the mirror and check to see if your face is more like an oval, round, square, heart, or diamond shaped. Round faces, try rectangular or square frames for balance. Square faces can try round or oval frames to soften angles. For oval faces, most shapes work, but avoid frames too big for your proportions. Heart-shaped faces, go for a winged cat eye or rimless frames to balance the forehead and chin. For diamond faces, cat eye and brow line frames highlight eyes and cheekbones. Next, choose a frame color. Cool skin tones look great in black, blue, gray, or even pink frames. Warm skin tones, look for brown, gold, green, or tortoiseshell. Let your personality shine. Bold colors for those who want to stand out, neutrals for versatility. Also, think about where you'll wear your glasses. Work, play, study. Lightweight frames for all-day wear, sturdy frames for active lifestyles. Don't forget to flaunt your personality. Let your glasses reflect you. Pick frames that make you feel happy and confident, because that's always in style. Up to 80% off frames and 20% off lenses. These deals are only for the anniversary. Blink and you'll miss those 24-hour bestsellers. Click the link below, use my code, and let me know your favorite in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear what people like. Thanks for celebrating with me and Firmoo. Happy 16th birthday. Okay, let's sing happy birthday to Firmoo. Happy birthday, Firmoo. Happy birthday, Firmoo. Happy birthday, Firmoo. Ooh, happy birthday, Firmoo.